Every autumn, this wetland on the south bank of the Yangtze River attracts nearly 700,000 migratory birds for the winter. They live in harmony with lakes and fields, creating a beautiful picture of nature. However, due to the complex terrain of the wetland and the massive number of migratory birds, it has been challenging for local staff to manually take care of the reserve. Dahua utilizes the power of digital technology to help monitor and record the distribution and trajectories of migratory birds, as well as the conditions of the lake area. It allows the rangers to observe and manage the wetland more effectively, while preventing external threats such as illegal invasion and poaching, creating a safe and peaceful migration environment for the birds. At present, this Dahua solution has helped protect more than 150 species of rare and exotic birds in the reserve, many of which are endangered, as well as national first-class and second-class protected animals such as the white crane, oriental white stork, cygnet, gray crane, and more. With its mission of enabling a safer society and smarter living, Dahua will continue to fulfill its social responsibility by exerting its utmost efforts in environmental protection, ecological balance, biodiversity, and carbon neutrality, utilizing its strength in digital intelligence and assisting the sustainable development of the global community.